Welcome back. With so many people out of work, making your credit card payments could be hard. Jamie Rhodes shows you the different ways you can get help.
The coronavirus means social distancing, weight gain, and dry, cracked hands from all that washing. And for far too many families, it's caused enormous financial stress. So
banks and lenders have these so-called hardship programs that kick into gear in times of disasters.
LendingTree's Matt Schultz says these programs can be lifelines for keeping your credit cards current.
Most of them are short-term, and they're not for everybody.
Meaning you have to demonstrate hardship to qualify. So we're running down the kinds of relief that may be offered by your credit card. For starters, some banks are letting cardholders skip payments without penalties.
If they are willing to allow you to skip a payment for a month or two in this time of crisis, it can be a really significant thing.
And not just for the immediate relief.
Because a single missed payment would be on your credit report for several years.
Next, see if your card will waive late fees.
If you know that you're going to be late with a payment, it's really important that you call and let them know.
Banks understand the situation, so
ask them to waive that fee, and there's a pretty good chance you'll get your way.
Another kind of relief some credit cards are offering: lower interest rates.
That may not be something that would have a huge impact right off the bat, but it's something that will be significant in a few months down the line, especially if you're going to miss payments and start accruing that interest.
Hey, the meter keeps running on your debt whether you're making payments or not.
So a short-term reduction in interest rates is a really good thing to ask for.
Next, some credit cards may offer lower minimum payments.
If issuers aren't willing to allow you to skip a payment altogether, sometimes they're willing to reduce that minimum payment in the short term.
Don't expect a huge difference, but
even if it's just $10, $20, for folks whose lives have been thrown topsy-turvy by this outbreak, that can be a really significant thing.
Finally, some issuers may offer you an increased line of credit.
That extra credit can be the key to paying bills during a period where you may not have that much money coming in.
Only use that newly available credit for essentials or to make other payments that might otherwise ding your credit score.
If you use that higher credit limit wisely, it can really help you in a tough time.
And remember that none of these hardship tools are going to kick in automatically.
You need to be the one who asks for these breaks, because nobody cares as much about your money and your credit as you do.
Taking advantage of credit card relief is at the top of the list.
All right, and that was Jamie Rhodes reporting.